Hello everyone, this is Inma. Whenever I post a time-lapse showing how I work on my comic, I'm asked a lot about the darker border effect my shadows have. I decided to make an auto action and a tutorial explaining how this works. Before I forget, this video is related to Clip Studio Paint. I don't know how to do this on any other software because I don't use them, but I'm sure you can find something around. Let's begin. First, download my auto action from Assets. It's free. Now, let me show you how to get this result. Create a layer for shading in multiply blending mode and activate the border effect on the layer property palette. Then click on watercolor edge. As you can see, a darker edge appears around the shadows, but it's grayish. It's very different from the result I get. So, how do we go from this to this? Let's start from the beginning. Now, instead of creating a layer for shading, click play on my auto action while having the base color layer or folder selected. A new folder containing two layers will appear. The top layer is called Colors Here and the bottom layer is called Shapes Here. Let me explain this. Choose the color you want for the shadows and fill the whole area on the Colors Here layer. Now go to the Shapes Here layer and start shading there. The shadows will appear on the color you painted above, no matter what color you're using now. But the best part is that the watercolor edge is no longer gray. It fits the color you chose. If you want to play with different colors for your shading, any color variation needs to be applied on the Colors Here layer. The watercolor edge will be automatically adjusted to the color you are painting with on that upper layer. So, to summarize, the shape of the shadows must be painted on the Shapes Here layer, and the colors of the shadows must be painted on the Colors Here layer. I hope this was useful. If you like my tutorials, check out my comics. As of today, my Boys Love comic Wild Beast Forest House has been published in English by Tokyopop, in Spanish by Planeta, in Italian by Jundo, and in German by Papertoons. You can also find them on Webtoon and Tapas, and of course on my Patreon with extra spicy content. And you can follow me on social media. Sorry for the self-promotion, an artist has to eat. That's all for today. See you next time and have fun creating!